Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am so excited to do another full face makeup tutorial. I'm gonna give you this look. I am really feeling this look with this eyeshadow, y'all. Hey y'all, girl, she is coming through with this. I want y'all to really see this girl. Can y'all see this glitter? Anyway, my Prestige Beauties, it is on again, honey. Oh, and I'm loving this hair, y'all. I rejuvenated this wig. I saw some reviews on YouTube that said you can rejuvenate some old hair with ammonia and bleach. And baby, when I tell you I brought this hair back to life, y'all, look at this. Look, I'm telling y'all. But anyway, without further ado, y'all know I don't do a bunch of talking. Let's get into this flow, my Prestige Beauties. So, I am so excited about getting into this full face makeup tutorial with cut crease overlaid with teal and glitter. So you ladies know how I feel about these eyebrows. We need to make sure these eyebrows are in sync. They look seamlessly flawless and they have a natural look to them. I am such a perfectionist when it comes to my eyebrows. So ladies, yes, I hope that I am going to do these eyebrows right, because y'all know how I am. If I don't get them right, I'm gonna go back into them. So we need to make sure she gets it right, honey. So keep watching while I slay these eyebrows. So, ladies, I am outlining my eyebrows. I'm using Juvia's concealer number 16. I'm really gonna have to do a review on Juvia's. So far, so good. This concealer, I really like it. You guys know from my last video, I like using a Born This Way. I usually use two when it comes to doing my eyebrows. Right under the eyebrow brow bone, I will use a light concealer, and then right underneath on the eyelid, I'll use Born This Way in the color Honey. And you should get the description will pop up here pretty soon so that you guys know what I'm using. And there it is. I'm blending the concealer out so that it looks very smooth, clean, and fresh. And then after we do that, honey, you know I'm going in with the eyebrows and the eyeshadow. So I'm basically just prepping my eyelids to add the eyeshadow. Okay, so ladies, we are going to start this eyeshadow process. So I am going into the cut crease of this, or the crease, I should say, of my eyelid, and I'm adding a really dark color because the look that I want to go for, I want to make sure that that teal pops. So the second layer I'm going to use is teal. Third layer I'm using like a pink mauve color, and I'm really just going to blend this in, or blend it out. I'm going to use a clean blending brush so that way the colors don't mix from the previous brush that I used. So I'm going to just do the same. I'm going to blend. Of course, I already told you ladies, you have to blend to make sure that everything looks neat and doesn't look like you just placed some eyeshadow on your eyelid and like, hey girl, no, we're not going to do that. So now I'm going into the lid with NYX white cream. It's like I use it, really what this is a prepping for, it preps your eyelid to add eyeshadow, but I'm actually using this for my cut crease. So I didn't what I'm going to do is add it in the description. I didn't add it, but you'll see it in the description with the products that I use. Anything I use, I will add them in the description below. So I'm going to add on top of my eyelid the teal. So look at that color, y'all. Doesn't that color just pop on that lid? Like, oh my gosh, that looks so beautiful. So I'm just kind of like just making sure everything looks good. And I am going to do the same transition that I did in the other eyelid as well. Okay, ladies, so here's the deal. I'm gonna cut crease this other eye, but I noticed when I was doing my cut crease, the other eye didn't look even, so I went back into it. So basically, just clean it up, make sure, because I need to make sure that everything is, in terms of like evenness, it has to be even for me. So I went into the other eyelid, and I basically just kind of added a little bit more cream, and then when I look back, I'm like, okay, yeah, that's perfect. That did exactly what I was looking for. And I really wanted that teal to pop and look like when you see me, you're gonna see it, okay? So because I want to put the emphasis on the teal. So girl, I'm fixing my head because everything was driving me crazy. But anyway, I am just making sure all of the other colors in the eyeshadow really just kind of look really, I want to say it just flows. I think that's what I want to say. So right now I'm priming my face, and I am using Makeup Forever Mattifying Primer. Now this is a really good primer, guys. If you're looking for some primer, I would say Makeup Forever is a good one. Pores No Mores, that's a good one. And I want to say Smashbox has another one as well too, so make sure you prime your face. And so I am trying Lancome foundation. I heard that it was really good, so I wanted to try it. So with me, because my skin is so sensitive, I have to be really careful about the foundations that I introduce to my face, because I have sensitive skin. So ladies, know your face, know your skin before you just add foundation on your face. So as I told you guys before, I haven't really used Juvia's foundation on my under eyelid, but I'm gonna try it. And now I use two concealers. I'm using Juvia's Place, and I'm using Born This Way. I also went in under my eyelids because I have these little lines underneath my eyes, and I told y'all about that, right? I can't stand it. So I just put a little bit of orange concealer just to kind of even everything out. So I wanted to try the two concealers, light on the top, dark on the bottom. I'm contouring. Y'all know how I get down. We got to contour everything, make sure it flows. I'm using Real Techniques blending brush. I go back and forth with blending brush and my sponge, because I think that when you use the two, it really gives that canvas look. It really gives that smooth transition canvas look that you want, especially under your eyelids, because you want your eyelids to look youthful, to glow, to have like a really seamlessly smooth under eye look. So I go back and forth with my concealer under my eyes, and I don't use a lot, because remember, ladies, when you use concealer under your eyes, it actually blends out. So if you add too much, it's gonna look chalky, it's gonna look clowny, and you don't want that look. So a little bit goes a long way. You don't need a lot of concealer under your eye because it spreads. So anytime you're using concealer under your eyes, just make sure you don't use a lot. And I think I'll do a video on that showing you guys how much concealer to use under your eyelid. You don't want to pack it down and it just don't look good. It's just ugh. Let's go back to this video, honey. Let me stay focused. So right now I told you about those lines under these eyes, ladies. You gotta make the stuff look good. When you want your makeup to look good, find out tricks and trades, and I'm trying to give you guys some of these tricks and trades. You take a little concealer, fill it in, get your blending brush, and pat. Don't pat hard, just pat very lightly, and it will fill in the blanks, okay? So I'm using my setting powder, Sasha Buttercup. Oh my God, when I tell you this is no flashback, it gives you that nice banana powder look. It gives you the highlighter that you need. This is a go-to, ladies. This is a go-to. I would really tell you guys, Laura Mercier is an awesome setting powder, but if you're gonna do another setting powder, Sasha Buttercup will give you everything you need. As y'all can see, look at the lighting of this. So I am using, ooh, yes, honey, look at that blend. So I'm using Black Radiant. I have a few bronzers that I use when I'm contouring my face, but this is a really good one. I'm trying it, so let's see how it looks. Okay, now ladies, when you're contouring your face, just make sure you blend really good because it helps your face to look like everything looks like where it's supposed to be. Because if you don't, you have really an edgy look and just really sharp cuts, and you don't want that. You want it to look really smooth. So I'll go back and forth with the different type of brush just so I can get that look that I'm looking for. And I am highlighting underneath my cheekbones to chisel that that contour look on my cheeks. And y'all know I go back in with this with contouring my nose, making sure everything is good. And I really do like how I use the blue under the eye. I think that, I mean, like I told you guys before, my other video, white looks really good, but I tend to try to switch it up. So who knows, you know, I might do a teal green, a light green. I just like to switch things up. I don't like to be using the same thing over and over. I mean, freshness is always popping. So to me, the blue is everything. So y'all see, girl, she trying to get everything in. Now, when I put these eyelashes on, y'all pray, because I've already told y'all trying to put eyelashes on in front of a camera can be very, very difficult. But I think I'm going to do a video on how to put eyelashes on. I got a couple things that I got coming through. But yeah, just continue watching. Okay, ladies, now when y'all putting your mascara on, make sure your mascara looks really good and it doesn't look like you just caked up a bunch of mascara on your eyelids. You just want it to look good, okay? So y'all know how I feel about my cheeks and my blush. I am using the Juvia's blush palette. It should show up in the description. And when I tell you that this, oh my God, do y'all see that? Okay. She about to blend this stuff in, and it is going to look, see, yes, honey, put that blush on. Now, when, girl, you better put that. Now, y'all know this is my Tarte. I love this highlighter. It's really, really nice. Like, you'll see it pop up here in a second, but it really, really looks nice. It just helps everything to just look so good. It just, ooh. Girl, you see them highlights, honey? But anyway, we're going to go ahead and finish. We're going to put these eyelashes on, honey. And, honey, we're going to be almost done. And we will be able to see this finished look come alive. Okay, now, y'all know how I feel about my moles. Let's get these moles on. I am a mole girl. Y'all don't judge me. Now, some of y'all don't like moles, but I'm going to put mine on. I've been doing this for years. My lip pen that I'm doing, y'all know that I got this lip pen from, I told y'all this is like my favorite lip liner. My sister bought this for me. And in addition to that, what you see me putting on right now, I literally got this brown pen from your local beauty supply store, and I bought it like 99 cents. Okay, so the LA color that you saw that I lined my lips up, I put brown on top of that. Then I'm putting my favorite, one of my favorite lipstick. Yes, honey. Woo! Girl, do you see it? Do you see it? Anastasia. She is bringing me life with this lipstick. So I just like the way it falls on my lips. I think it looks really, really good. It just pops. It flows with this look. Honey, just wait. There it is. This is the finished look. This is my full face makeup tutorial with a cut crease, teal overlay with glitter. Dowels. Do you see this? My dowels. Do y'all see this look? This finished look really came through, and it looks amazing. I think it's a perfect finish. It goes with anything you can wear. You know, I put my little cute red dress on it, but honey, I want you girls to see my prestige beauties. Y'all see this? My wig is fresh, my face is laid, and I am just feeling myself. I really hope you guys like this video. I really hope y'all like the cut crease and how I did it. It's not that difficult. So please like, comment, and subscribe, and tell me guys what y'all want to see. Comment, let me know what you're looking for, so that I can bring to you what it is you want. I don't want to just do things I like, but I want you guys feedback. So yeah, thank you for watching, honey, and once again, bye my prestige. It was a pleasure.
Timothy's time to take cover.